LuckyX Wheel BingX, trade futures, and win BTC. Yo, listen up, folks. Are you ready to take your crypto trading game to the next level and potentially win some sweet Bitcoin? Well, you're in the right place, my dudes. Let me introduce you to the LuckyX Wheel on the BingX platform, a sizzling hot opportunity that's gonna blow your mind. Now, let me set the scene for you, my fellow crypto enthusiasts. Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, sipping on your favorite beverage and feeling the urge to get your trade on. You log into your BingX account and bam, you see this glorious wheel spinning, just waiting for you to try your luck. And the best part? The prizes up for grabs are nothing short of legendary. We're talking about cold, hard Bitcoin, folks. But don't just take my word for it. Let me break it down for you, Ryan, the crypto connoisseur. This LuckyX Wheel event is exclusively for BingX Futures users, which means you gotta have some skin in the game. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Here's how it works. You complete a series of tasks like reaching certain trading volume milestones or making a decent deposit, and you'll earn entry tickets to spin the LuckyX Wheel. The more entries you rack up, the better your chances of snagging that grand prize. And let me tell you, the prizes are juicy. We're talking about hefty Bitcoin rewards, boosted leverage, and even some sweet token vouchers. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ryan, this sounds too good to be true. But listen up, my dude, BingX is the real deal. They're one of the top crypto exchanges out there, and they're known for their rock-solid security and user-friendly platform. Plus, they're always cooking up these killer events to keep their traders hyped and engaged. So, what are you waiting for, my friend? It's time to get in on the action. Head over to BingX, sign up using the referral code 911, and start grinding those tasks. Remember, the more you trade, the more entries you'll earn, and the higher your chances of hitting the jackpot. And let me tell you, this ain't no ordinary wheel of fortune. This is the LuckyX Wheel, and it's gonna have you on the edge of your seat the entire time. Just imagine the look on your face when that wheel starts spinning and you see those Bitcoin rewards coming your way. It's gonna be epic, trust me. Now, I know you're probably thinking, but Ryan, how do I even get started with BingX? No worries, my friend, I got you covered. All the links and info you need are right here in the description below, including the all-important referral code 911. So, what are you waiting for? Head on over to BingX, sign up, and start spinning that LuckyX Wheel. Who knows, you might just be the next big winner in the crypto world. And remember, when you do sign up, make sure to use that referral code 911. It's the only way to ensure you get in on all the action. Now, sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. This LuckyX Wheel event on BingX is about to be the dopest thing you've ever experienced in the crypto space. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss this.